Okay, so this time we're going to be looking at completing the square method. And I think I love this best. In terms of liking, I love factorization, completing the square method, and then formula method. But all of them are very sweet to use. So today we'll be using completing the square method, and our key character is Osas. She thought that completing the square method is hard, but today we're going to be showing Osas that it is not hard. So if your name is Osas, then this question is for you. Okay, so using completing the square method. Completing the square method. Completing the square. Now, the one thing you need to know is completing the square method. Our A here must always be 1. Always. So if it is not 1, then you have to divide all through by whatever coefficient is in front of x squared. Always be 1. But our own here has 1, so no problem. So the very first step is step 1. Move the constant to the right hand side. That's like collect like terms, because 0 is the like term of 5, so collect like terms. You can use that. So x squared plus 6x is equal to minus 5, because 0 minus 5 minus 5. The very next step, very tricky, but just understand it. Step 2, add half the coefficients of x, half the square, half the square coefficient of x to both sides. Okay, so what I'm telling you now is that what's the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 6. Find half of 6 first. Half of 6 is 6 over 1. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. Then square it. The square of it is what? 9. So this is what you do. You now have x squared plus 6x plus 3 square equal to minus 5 plus what? 3 square. Now you now have x squared plus 6x plus 3 square, right? Now another thing you're going to do is, when you're completing the square method, this is what you do. You pick 1x from x square, pick the sign of the coefficient of b, then pick the 3, just 3, not square, just 3, all bracket square, equal to minus 5 plus 3 square. I'll do that again. You pick 1x from this x square, you pick the sign of the coefficient of